I recognize the Honourable Minister for African Nova Scotia Affairs.
Madam Speaker, I beg leave to make an introduction.
Yes.
It is my absolute honor to introduce today's distinguished guest in the East Gallery. We have with us, and please give them a warm welcome, Russell Grosse, Executive Director of the Black Cultural Center, Dr. Isaac Saney of Dalhousie University, Coordinator of the Black African Diaspora Studies Program, Bill Lahey, President and Vice Chancellor of the University of King's College, and Dr. Theresa Rajack-Talley, Dalhousie University, the Vice Provost of Equity and Inclusion. I ask that they rise and accept the warm welcome of this House.
I recognize the Honourable Minister for African Nova Scotian Affairs.
Madam Speaker, I hereby give notice that on a future day, I shall move the adoption of the following resolution. Whereas Dalhousie University and the University of King's College have partnered with the Black Cultural Center for Nova Scotia to host the groundbreaking 2023 Universities Studying Slavery USS Conference from October 18th to the 21st. And whereas this significant international conference on the role of slavery in higher education and its legacies will mark the first USS conference held outside of the United States, and whereas this will also be the inaugural USS conference to spotlight the history of slavery in Nova Scotia and Canada, along with the experiences of the African Nova Scotians in particular. Therefore, be it resolved that all members of the House of Assembly join me in thanking the organizers of the University Studying Slavery Conference and acknowledging the social, economic, and cultural contributions and achievements of Black people and communities across the Black Atlantic world, including those in Canada and Nova Scotia. Madam Speaker, I request waiver of notice and passage without debate.
There has been a request for waiver. Is it agreed?
Agreed.
It is agreed. Would all those in favor of the motion please say aye?
Aye.
Contrary minded, nay? The motion is carried.